Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure Washing. Windy day, but it's a beautiful day to start this. It's now warm. We're into springtime. This is going to be our project for the year. And this is a very old cemetery. I'm seeing 1905. I'm seeing 18s. They're very, very, very dirty. The mold has gone to like red, rusty mold. There is some damage, which we will of course be annotating the damage to, like for instance, that right there, that's a piece that used to go right here. So that's going to be clean, but it's going to be annotated. There's a split there. Get a good picture of that. Cleaning of this method will not cause that. So now the interesting thing is this is copper. And see how the copper has leached out and kept this clean? That's one of the reasons why they put copper strips on roofs to keep this from happening. You can see it right there. This one is a 1866, 1873. These are 1867, 19, 18, 19. And that one does not have anything on this side. Now we do have some flat stones for this project. The flat stones are in really bad shape. Like that one is totally disintegrating. That's going to be an issue. So for that one, I'm going to let the chemicals do the work and no scrubbing on that one. That one's going to have to be totally chemicals. This one's going to have to be totally chemicals because there's no scrubbing. This one I can scrub. This one I can scrub. That one that's been a repair I can scrub. The rest of them I can scrub. So this is the project we'll be working with. We live right down the road, so it's really easy to come here and work on it. I got my water, scrub brushes, Stone Clean by Absolute Chemical, different types of brushes, very soft brushes, a little bit more aggressive brushes if needed. Nothing metal, nothing really aggressive, but just enough to get them clean. So we're going to start this project today. I'm probably going to do that one because well, it just makes sense to do them in a row. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. That will be the last one. And because that one is in such look at that, I can just rub that right off. This one I'm probably going to spray. First thing I'm going to do is take pictures of everything and get what I can get picture wise. Like you can't read any of this. This is totally unreadable right now. And then take pictures of after. But this right here is totally, this one I'll probably spray today and just leave it and let it do its work, because this will be the last one I do, so it's going to have the longest dwell time in way of cleaning. While I'm working on all these and that and all those stand-up ones, that one can just sit and work. We got rain coming in a couple of days, which will reactivate it. So what I'll do is I'm going to spray it down with the Stone Clean at a 50% mix, half water, half Stone Clean, and I'm going to let it sit. Then I'm going to scrub it really well. I'm going to rinse it with water, that's why I carry water. And then I'm going to spray it again. And I've got some garbage bags I was kind of thinking on putting on top of it to hold that moisture in so it doesn't flash dry and let it sit in there longer. I'm going to try that. I've never tried that before, but I think that may be the ticket. So join me as we start with J.W. Bowman, Tennessee Cavalry. No dates on this one anywhere. No dates. So I'm not real sure. We'll see. And here we are with Sergeant Bowman Stone, just a couple of days. And as you can see, it's already started cleaning up. We have not had any rain. Base looks really good. I was surprised as bad as the base was. It killed that stuff quick. Once we have a rain, a lot of this will rinse off. You can see where it came over and rinsed a little bit when I was spraying the second coat on it. This will rinse off with the rain, and that'll already start looking good. I'll spray it again next time when we're doing the next one and the next one and the next one. Those are going to be easy. There's not much on that one. So there we go. That's 2 days.